What's up, y'all? It's Daniel. Let's talk about enterprise drones, the workhorses for public safety, inspections, and mapping. DJI's Mavic 3 Enterprise Series has totally been the king in this space. But for some folks, especially those in government jobs or security-conscious fields, there are some red flags. Tons of countries are either banning or thinking about banning Chinese drones because of security concerns. No bueno. Take the state of Florida, for instance. In recent sweeping legislation, the state has banned all Chinese-made drones from operation. Then there's data security. Everyone's worried that the info these drones capture is gonna end up in the wrong hands. Not ideal. Up until now, the Mavic 3 series was a no-go for these situations. But hold up, Anzu Robotics, a brand new US company, has a solution: the Anzu Raptor and Raptor T drones. These Anzu Raptors are basically tricked out versions of the DJI Mavic 3E and 3T, but with a major perk. Anzu builds these Raptors in Malaysia and then finishes putting them together here in the US. This means they follow the regulations that restrict drones based on where they're made. Plus, Anzu partners with Aloft Technologies for the software that runs the whole thing. This gets rid of those data security worries since Aloft uses servers based in the US and promises to keep your data private. Here's another cool thing about the Anzu Raptor series: flexibility. Unlike DJI drones, Anzu Raptors aren't locked down by geofencing restrictions. This means you can fly them in areas that might be off limits for regular DJI models. Anzu Raptors also don't force you to download updates that could ground your drone at the worst possible time, like during a public safety mission. Whether you're in public safety, inspections, mapping, or anything else that needs a secure and compliant drone solution, the Anzu Raptor series is definitely worth checking out. It's basically the DJI Mavic Enterprise with the added benefits of being made in the US, having secure software, and giving you more freedom to fly. If you have any questions or want to know more about pricing and availability, hit up dronefly.com. This is Daniel. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time.